Hi children. Let us start. Summary of the last class. Confirmation of presence of food components. Test for starch. Test for fats. Test for proteins. Learn things from the class. Yes, summary about the last class. Last class we learned food contains some components like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals include rough phase and water. Fiber, rough phase of fiber. So food supply the energy to do many tasks in our day-to-day activity. So in previous class, class 5 or 5th, you learn to which food contain more carbohydrates, which food contain fats, which food contains a more proteins, everything you learned. Once you remember, rice, wheat, maize contain carbohydrate, sugar, starch, potato, banana also rich in carbohydrates. So carbohydrates and fats energy giving food. Once you recall children, already you learned in class 5. Next, butter, cheese, oil, ghee and nuts contain fat. Pulses, cheese, milk, eggs, meat, fish, and soya beans contain more proteins. Green vegetables, fruits, milk, meat, fish also contain vitamins and minerals. Calcium, iron, potassium, these type of these are the examples of the minerals. Yeah, you recall. And balanced diet also. Last class we discussed. Now let us start. How do you test the presence starch means carbohydrates in the food? Take a test. Preparation of dilute iodine solution. Take a test tube or a cup and add few drops of iodine crystals to it. Then dilute it with water till it become light yellow or brown color. So iodine solution in a yellow or brown color. Take a sample of potato item. Yes, see here, potato. Peel the potato, then add the few drops of iodine on the potato. Then change the color of the potato. You observe in this picture. Yes. If the substance dark blue or black, it contains starch. Try with ripened banana or raw banana also, like a sugar also contains carbohydrates. Yeah, children, once again, test for starch. Here iodine is the one chemical. If any possible, coming to school, regular school, I will show to these chemicals. Not only this, remaining chemicals also, some chemicals are in our school there, I show to that time. Okay children, understood? Next, once again repeat how test for starch or carbohydrates. So carbohydrates means the combination of metals like carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrates means the compound made containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the test for carbohydrates. So how do you test? Take a one potato, peel that one, add 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution on the potato. Then slowly color will be changed. Comes to the black or dark blue color. This is the, now you said potato contains a more carbohydrate. Children, here you remember one more point. All food items contain all the components of food. The amount of each component varies from one type of food to another. Already last class I explained one milk packet vapor. All contains there. ప్రతి ఫుడ్ ఐటెంలో all components ఉంటాయి. But one food items contain more carbohydrates and another food contain more fats. ప్రతి ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్లో ఆల్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ ఒక్కొక్క దాంట్లో క్వాంటిటీ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఒక దాంట్లో ఏమో ఫ్యాట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఒక దాంట్లో ఏమో ప్రోటీన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉండొచ్చు. దిస్ ఈజ్ మెయిన్ పాయింట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, test for fats. Take a small quantity of oil food, rub it gently on a piece of paper. If the paper turns translucent, the substance contains fat. Test for fat. Take a some water, quantity of water and fat contain food. Rub on the paper. Water slowly, you drop some water, drop waters, that paper slowly come to the wet. But oil papers come to the like a greasy, మన జిడ్డు జిడ్డుగా పేపర్ అయిపోతుంది. సో దిస్ మీన్స్ దట్ కమ్స్ టు ద ట్రాన్స్లూసెంట్. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ టెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఫ్యాట్. మనం ఏదైనా తిన్న వెంటనే ఆయిల్ పేపర్లో చూస్తే ఆ కింద ఏమవుతుంది, మనకి ఆయిల్గా జిడ్డుగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. So this means that food item contain a fat. Children, you understood? Yeah. Next, come to next one. Yeah, guess children, this question answer assignment quiz for you. What is visible through a translucent spot? Everything, only light, only sharp objects, only bright. Yeah, you guess and guess the answer. Next one, test for proteins. Preparation of 2% of copper sulfate solution and 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. So this here copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide are also one type of chemicals. So how to prepare? Here concentration and dilute. So concentration means the chemical is more power. So how to డైల్యూట్ మీన్స్ యాడ్ సమ్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ వాటర్. ఏదైనా కెమికల్స్ అవి చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటాయి, అటువంటి స్ట్రాంగ్ కెమికల్స్ని వి కాల్ ద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ సొల్యూషన్స్. వెన్ యూ యాడ్ టు ద వాటర్ దట్ కమ్స్ ఏ డైల్యూట్. చిల్డ్రన్, యూ అండర్స్టూడ్? To make 2% copper sulfate solution, dissolve 2 grams of copper sulfate in 100 ml of water. To make 10% of sodium hydroxide solution, dissolve 10 grams of sodium hydroxide in 100 ml of water. Yeah, you understood? These two are first concentration. Add the water. So why here I mentioned 2 grams 100 ml means that is your mother also prepare the any food items, they are taking measurements for 1 cup rice, add the 2 cups of water. Here also 2 grams of copper sulfate add to the 100 ml of water, that comes to the dilute copper sulfate solution. Yeah, first of all, which substance you test? So which food items contain more proteins? Yeah, egg. So take a white jelly of egg, add them. If the substance we test in solid, grind it or powder or paste. So here we take the white jelly of egg. Take a little bit of in the test tube. First of all, you take that white gel in the test tube. Add 10 drops of water to that egg. Take 10 drops of solution in a clean test tube and 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. Again add the 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution to the test tube and shake well. Change of color to violet or purple. Confirm the presence of protein. First one, these all are how to prepare the dilute solutions. These all are how to prepare the dilute solution. దెన్ టెస్ట్ ఫర్ ప్రోటీన్. హౌ టు యూ టెస్ట్ మీన్స్ అంటే మనం ఏదైతే టెస్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నామో విచ్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ కంటైన్ ప్రోటీన్స్. హియర్ వి టేక్ ద వైట్ జెల్లీ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్ యొక్క వైట్ జెల్లీ తీసుకొని టేక్ ఏ టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్, యాడ్ 2 drops ఆఫ్ కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్, దెన్ యాడ్ టు 10 drops ఆఫ్ సోడియం హైడ్రాక్సైడ్. To the shake well, change the color violet or purple. purple. We confirm that is the test of protein. Yeah, this is today class. Yeah, today what we learn, ma? Different food items contain different types of rich in the components like carbohydrates, fat, and mm, vitamins and minerals. Next, to test for carbohydrates, fat, and proteins. So, what is the test for starch or carbohydrates? Iodine test. So, what is the iodine test? Which substance we test for starch? Add the few drops of iodine that slowly turns to the dark blue or black color. Second one, test for fat. Take any oil food item, rub on paper. The two comes to the translucent paper. Yeah, already you remember no? Transparent, opaque, translucent things we learned in fifth class. Okay. Next one, test for proteins. Take a white jelly of egg in test tube. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. Then slowly that comes to the purple. So this is test for protein. Thank you, children.